Wow, what an absolutely gorgeous copper layered style to kick off today's video. The cut and the color combination is just unreal. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature some gorgeous haircut transformations. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have another haircut in the works. So it looks like the stylist does a bit of a trim here, not cutting off a whole lot. She does get some color here as well. And the stylist does add a bit more shaping. Ooh, beautiful mid-length bob makeover. She's got some gorgeous highlights mixed in with the coloring. Very pretty. Now this is a nice subtle hair change, nothing too drastic or dramatic, but still a fun little way to shake things up. Next up, we see someone rocking out a bob. And it looks like she's getting some color. Oh, she got the ombre hair color trend. Very nice. Now this is a color that has managed to make its way back this year. Very pretty makeover. And what's nice about ombre color here is that it adds a nice amount of dimension to your strands, which makes it to appear thicker and more vibrant. Ooh, beautiful volumized bob for the next look. Look at that color. And she does have some bangs here to kind of frame out the bob. This one features a lot of volume within the style. That color looks breathtaking. Beautiful dimension. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out these last few hair transformations.